Hi guys, good morning. I'm now 36 weeks pregnant and today I have a transabdominal ultrasound. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako mag-mini vlog. Dito nga pala ako nagpapa-ultrasound or nagpapa-check up sa Amasop Bacolod at maraming nagtatanong sa akin kung ano daw yung Amasop at kung bakit daw libre lang yung mga services nila dito. For those who don't know, AMASOP stands for Associated Marine Officers and Seamen's Union of the Philippines and also known as Hospital ng Mga Seamen. Why? Because they offer free medical checkups, lab tests, dental care, free medicines, and even hospitalization para sa mga seafarer and their qualified dependents. And why is it free? Simply because it's part of the benefits for seafarers working on board. Their agency or employer gives contribution to AMASOP while they're at sea. Kaya bilang miyembro, entitled ka sa mga services na ino-offer nila. So that's all about AMASOP guys. If you want to know more information about all the benefits they offer, just feel free to visit AMASOP branch near you. So ayan guys, nandito na nga pala ako sa radiology department for my ultrasound. Thank God, baby is healthy and already in cephalic position. Yes, I'm so happy. Konting tiis na lang talaga mga moms. Malapit na talaga akong mga na. And before I end this mini vlog, ito nga pala meron akong sinundo na batang makulit sa labas dahil meron din siyang follow-up check-up sa kanyang pedya ngayong araw. While waiting kay Doc, ito naglalambing na naman ang batang makulit tapos maya-maya pasaway na ulit. Being a toddler mom talaga is such a roller coaster mga mami no. Minsan sweet mom tayo, minsan dinosaur mom. But you know what? That's part of it and that's the season we're in. Minsan lang sila maging bata. Kaya enjoyin na lang natin mga mami yung mga sleepless nights, the endless mess, the non-stop mommy look, mommy look. So kahit nakakapagod, kahit minsan gusto mo na lang huminga ng malalim, but we need to keep going. And like seasons, it's a reminder that this won't last forever. And one day, things will change. And I know all of this will be worth it. Kaya sa mga kapwa ko toddler moms, you're doing great. Hindi ka nag-iisa. We got this. One day at a time. So ayun guys, sa wakas natapos na rin yung check-up ni Kuya Alpha. And dito na rin magtatapos yung aking not so mini vlog. Yay! Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in my next video. Bye!